Hello, welcome to this video dedicated to WPS Office, one of the best tools you can use to manage your Office and PDF documents for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This is a very powerful alternative to Microsoft Office subscriptions, available as a free plan or a cheap pro plan, including WPS AI, efficient, and superior than Microsoft Copilot. When you open WPS Office, its dashboard shows several options to browse and open your files from either your computer, Google Drive, or Dropbox. You can also start with new documents, picking any template available to save time and get loads of tools within WPS Office we won't see in this video. WPS Office is really great in supporting you with Office documents by opening, managing, and editing Word documents from Docs, with complete features to handle textual documents with ease. It also works very well with PowerPoint slides, allowing you to edit their single elements inside, including transitions and animations. On Sheets, you can handle Excel tables with full control on cells content, properties, math functions, and layout as you need. WPS Office can also handle PDF documents with loads of tools to modify these. Enable Edit PDF to adjust text content, style, and placement, and also manage shapes and images as you need. You can also convert the PDF document to a Word document or an image and get other tools to manage pages or authenticate your document. Now, WPS Office includes WPS AI, an outstanding artificial intelligence tool supporting several kinds of operations on your Word and PDF documents. Select Insight to upload any long document into the cloud and get a quick summary of its content, saving really a lot of time, thanks to its advanced OCR technology. Switch to Inquiry to get answers to quick questions and get help on tasks with a direct chat in real time. You can use the same to even generate high-quality content, get suggestions, or proofread any given sentence. WPS AI will be even enhanced in the future, supporting PPT documents and also large Excel tables, offering a great help with analyzing complex data sets and saving a lot of time. WPS Office is also available on mobile devices running iOS or Android. Thanks to your WPS account, you can move from one device to another effortlessly, getting all your files synchronized and accessible as you log in, without any limit on the number of devices that can connect to these. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to check our video description to learn more about WPS Office and download it to discover its complete features as a great Office alternative.